Hello, this is Brian, and welcome to my shop. I'm in the midst of starting a new project, a 69 Chevelle. No, that was the one I did last time. This is a 72 that I'm converting to a 70. And I'll show it to you here in a moment. I'm in the process of building a rotisserie because I don't have one, and I need to be able to take the body off the frame. So let me flip this around here real quick. And there she blows. I have most of the interior taken out, and as you can see, I have the front end stripped down. It came with a 350 in it of some sort. It didn't run. There weren't even matching bolts in the exhaust manifold. It has factory air conditioning on it, which I'm going to attempt to put back on. All in all, it's in pretty average condition. There was quite a bit of rust on the bolts on the body mounting. I had to actually go in and cut a few of them free. Back here in the passenger side, you can see where I had to cut through the B-pillar subframe right there and take out the bolt. And there was another one back here in the trunk that was frozen as well. I had to cut into the trunk to get that one out. But all the other ones came out, and the body is ready to be lifted off. But in order to do that, I have to have some place to put it. So I'm building a rotisserie. The company, there's a company online, Red Wing Metals, that actually publishes a free set of plans, which I'm using here. This is a picture of what it looks like overall. It's fairly large looking there. And I'm making some modifications for additional bracing. So it's just make it a little bit stronger because it just looks like a heavy car to me. And I don't trust that metal, nor my welding skills. Here you can see I've cut out a lot of the metal for the first section, which I'm doing, which is the end piece here. I have to duplicate that one for each side. I purchased all my metal here from Flex Fab up in Cumming, Georgia. Yeah, we're down here in Georgia. I use my Kaka, yes, it is Kaka, horizontal bandsaw to cut all my metal. And you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the Kaka logo is crooked, so they don't know how to put stickers on, but the machine works fine. Anyway, I wanted to give a brief introduction to the car and to the project, and I'm going to attempt to provide as many details and tricks to the trade that I find putting this together, because they could prove to be useful in whatever project you're working on. So more to come.